Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most luxurious, most breathtaking, and most enchanting homes across the world. Today we invite you to step into a masterpiece that feels like it has been lifted straight from the pages of a fairy tale, a dreamy Princess Palace luxury home that blends elegance, grandeur, and fantasy into one unforgettable experience. This is not just a house, it is a vision of royal living designed for those who dare to dream big. The palace greets you with an exterior that immediately captivates your imagination. Golden domes glisten under the sunlight, marble exteriors reflect timeless beauty, and majestic staircases lead you through ornate doors into a realm of pure opulence. The architecture is inspired by European royal palaces yet reimagined with modern craftsmanship and luxurious details that make it a true 21st century palace. Every angle of the home offers a sense of grandeur, from the towering columns to the intricately carved balconies overlooking lush gardens and sparkling fountains. Inside, the interiors are nothing short of magical. Soaring ceilings stretch high above, adorned with hand-painted murals and glittering chandeliers that sparkle like stars. The main hall is designed to be the heart of the palace, a grand space where elegance meets comfort, perfect for hosting gala evenings or simply walking through in awe of its beauty. The marble floors are polished to perfection, the walls feature gold-trimmed paneling, and every detail has been carefully chosen to create an atmosphere of timeless luxury. Moving into the living areas, you find rooms that perfectly balance royal sophistication with cozy charm. Plush seating, silk curtains, and golden accents make the lounges warm and inviting, while still retaining a regal air. The dining hall is another highlight, featuring a massive table long enough to host a royal banquet, surrounded by velvet chairs and illuminated by dazzling chandeliers overhead. Every meal in this palace feels like a celebration, surrounded by luxury and elegance. The bedrooms are designed as royal suites, each one with its own unique personality. Imagine waking up in a room with a golden canopy bed, soft pastel walls, and sunlight streaming through tall palace windows. The master suite is particularly breathtaking, with its oversized bed, silk drapery, and ornate ceilings. Attached to it is a luxury spa bathroom, complete with a freestanding marble tub, crystal mirrors, and golden faucets that make every moment of relaxation feel like a royal experience. Guest rooms and children's suites carry the same enchanting theme, with whimsical details and luxurious touches that make them both magical and comfortable. One of the most impressive features of this dreamy princess palace is the ballroom. With polished marble floors, towering ceilings, and chandeliers that shimmer with thousands of crystals, it is a space built for unforgettable nights. Whether for grand celebrations or private evenings of music and dance, the ballroom embodies the essence of royal living. The palace also features a private study room, designed with carved wooden desks, velvet curtains, and golden decor that creates a refined atmosphere. For leisure, there is a majestic indoor pool surrounded by marble columns and glittering chandeliers, offering a serene oasis within the palace walls. A royal spa area adds yet another layer of indulgence, making this home a complete sanctuary of comfort and luxury. Stepping outside, the palace grounds are just as enchanting as the interiors. Wide marble terraces, ornate balustrades, and lush gardens create an environment that feels both private and majestic. Sparkling fountains line the pathways, and hidden courtyards offer intimate spaces to relax and enjoy the beauty of the palace surroundings. A grand garage adds to the modern luxury, with space to showcase a collection of the world's finest cars, from Rolls-Royce to Lamborghini, ensuring that even the automobiles live up to the royal lifestyle. Every element of this dreamy Princess Palace luxury home has been designed with the utmost care to create a balance between royal fantasy and modern comfort. It is not simply a place to live, but a home that tells a story of elegance, majesty, and dreams brought to life. From the chandeliers to the marble floors, from the gardens to the bedrooms, every feature combines to make this palace a true architectural masterpiece. This home represents the pinnacle of the luxury lifestyle, a reminder that dreams can be built into reality when vision and craftsmanship come together. For those who imagine themselves living like royalty, this palace is more than a home, it is a fairy tale brought to life, a timeless symbol of elegance and grandeur. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting tour of the dreamy Princess Palace luxury home. If you enjoyed exploring this masterpiece, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions, where we continue to bring you exclusive tours of the world's most luxurious estates, palatial homes, and architectural wonders. Stay with us for more breathtaking journeys into the homes that define elegance and inspire dreams.